sometimes the prayers and wishes do wonders, and I've experienced this in last 2.5 years. Like I always say that no matter how much hard work you put in, no matter how much patient you are, my mom always used to say that patience and perseverance is one thing that will always make you reach your goals. But again, I want to add one more thing: blessings. Also, you need to reach where we always aim at. So I think that's what I've experienced. All the people that I connected in last 2.5 years, close to 7.5 lakh migrants who were sent back to their homes, and whatever we are doing in medical education. So I never knew anything how to do it. Still, I'm learning my lessons, but sometimes all those prayers make that happen. Yes, I'm ready to learn. Still miles to go, but the journey is on. But I'm sure all these wishes will guide me. I know it's a long journey, but all I can say is, for whatever I'm doing, and what I've done in past 18, 20 years, being a part of close to 100 movies in all different languages, from Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Chinese, English, whatever. So I felt, there can't be anything more special, there can't be anything more bigger than being a part of, huge blockbusters, so-called 100, 200 crore films. But when you connect with the common man, and I think the kind of happiness you get, it's, if you put all the films together, it's nowhere close to that one day that happens in your life when you do something good, and you get the blessing from them. So that's what my journey is. It's still on, and I hope that it continues forever till my last breath. And please, be a part of our team also. Whenever we can do something good together, wherever I go, I always tell everyone, whatever I've experienced, I want you also to be part of it. So please, just a phone call away. I still have the same number which I got 18 years ago. Please call me anytime. Just a phone call away for anyone, anywhere, in any part of the country. Always a phone call away. Thank you so much.
24/7 Twitter पे भी message भेज सकते हैं इन्हें आप. Now it's actually time for the Q&A. The entire media fraternity present here is actually and very eagerly waiting to ask you questions. In regards to the magazine, in regards to the letter who's sitting here, in regards to the editor, let's have some one-to-one Jazbati question answers going on. Sir, please, if you can have your seat.
We have 5 set of questions which we...
Okay, so here comes the first question. Well, at first, thank you everyone for being here with us. आराम से. सर आ रहे हैं? अच्छा.
आपका सर आ रहा है. ये इधर आ जाए, सर चेयर पे आ जाए. कॉर्नर. ये ठीक है?
सबसे पहले guys, please smile यार. आपकी मुस्कुराहटें इतने टाइम के बाद देखने मिल रही है. आप सब मुस्कुराइए, please. Wow. सुबाचे. बहुत मजा आ गई. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to our living legend, Nari Hira sir, Miss Andrea, for allowing me to do the honors of course, requesting our soulful Sonu Sood sir to answer. Sonu Sood sir, हमारे engineer साहब हैं, and of course we're all living in the world of artificial intelligence. हम बात करते हैं digital world की, and here at the inaugural Society Achievers inaugural issue, on the cover page is the one and only Sonu Sood. How does it feel?
Like I said, it's very special when when I saw the cover. I think this was special, and I have no words to thank Nari Hira sir, Andrea, Ashok ji for making this happen, and whatever they gave me this title of the real hero. It puts enormous pressure on my shoulders also to live up to that. Those 3 words, but yes, I will try to give my best, and like I said, this is just the beginning, still miles to go.
I mean, did you take a good look at yourself?
Yeah.
कैसे लग रहे हैं हमारे hero on Society Achievers magazine inaugural cover page पर कैसे लग रहे हैं digital issue?
It's very special. I wish my parents were around to see that, but I'm sure wherever they are, they are making this happen.
Thank you so much. But कुछ adjective देना चाहेंगे? On the hero, not on you. On the hero जो cover page
I
पर
think
है.
ये जो ऊपर society है, ये सही में hero है.
Yay!
This name has made many heroes, and Nari Hira sir, I would like to share. 25-30 years ago, whatever magazines of society, I still have those copies with me in Punjab. My mom was, a she was a fan of all the Magna, publications from Stardust. And I have all those copies still with me when I was in school. So, that says it all, I would say.
Very.
This is very, very special and very touchy for all of us. Sonu Sood sir, coming back to what the world experienced 3 years back. How did you have the guts? I know आप तो हीरोगिरी करते हैं हमारी फिल्म्स में और हम बेहद चाहते हैं आपसे मोहब्बत करते हैं. But ये हीरोगिरी was very difficult because we were all at homes trying to save our own selves, trying to even be away from our family members. If of course during the pandemic. How did you and where did all that courage come from?
I don't know. I just feel that I was the chosen one. I don't know how it happened. I never knew how to send people back to their homes. I never knew how to get them medically treated. I don't know how to give them education, how to get them jobs. But I thought that I think it's important to take the challenge and make it happen. And I remember the first time when I sent those 350 people back to their homes. That was the first lot of buses that started in India, and the kind of love that I got from those families. They cried, they hugged me and all. They said, we thought that we won't be able to live now, but now we are going back to your home, so thank you so much. So I think that really motivated me and made me realize this is not a journey of these 350 people, but millions of people who are still struggling to go back to their homes. So from there it started. And
Great. What is that one message you like to give to the society in general about whatever the world is experienced and is still experiencing? One positive message, Sonu ji, aapki taraf se.
So, to the society that we live in, I would just like to tell that it's very important to give back to the society, because when you give back, that's the time you actually realize, why you came to this world. We always wait that, we should become famous, rich, influential, then we'll start giving back to the society. But I have experienced that, you don't have to wait for those times to come. You just have to start it today, now. It's not important that you have those resources to help others, but I think the day you choose that I want to help people, and you get connected, you set up a net, save many more lives. Whom I help to go back to their homes. They are very poor people living in places like Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, but they are the ones who are helping us, change lives. So I think that's the message I would like to give. Don't wait for something to happen in life. You can start it today. And society, as society, it's, I would say, the Bible, of entertainment, news, fashion, everything. So if you want to live in the society, you can't live without society. So be there.
Society Achievers, guys. That was so special. Thank you. Well, this is the last question from my end. We've loved you on the big screen. We've loved you on the small screen. We've loved you in people's houses, where we know people pray, having a picture. But please, हमें future अपने films के बारे में बताइए. I want to see you back on the big screen.
Yeah, we're just starting this film called Fateh. It's about the digital crime that's happening around. Everyone is suffering, from a common man to the rich, famous, everyone. So about the scams that are happening through mobile phones. So it's a lot of research that we've done. It all started because when I was helping people, so a lot of people were creating those fake accounts, those fake loans, those fake apps that were calling people, So I think it was important for us. Then we started that research and we did a lot of homework. And now this film is called Fateh, which is starting next month. And hopefully, by March or April, we'll be out with this.
Eagerly awaiting. Please go ahead. Questions के लिए.
पैंडेमिक के बाद कुछ वैक्सीन आई जो सिर्फ कोविड ठीक कर सकती थी, लेकिन इकलौता ऐसा वैक्सीन है जो हर प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर सकती थी. तो आप कितना % अपने को खुद को और वैक्सीन मानते हैं और कितना कोशिश रहेगी कि आप आगे भी इस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू करें?
देखिए, मैं सिर्फ जरिया हूँ. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि द चोजन वन, कहीं से ऊपर वाले ने दिल की घंटी बजाई और उसने बोला कि निकल पड़. तो रास्ता लंबा है लेकिन मंजिल मिलेगी ज़रूर. तो मैं निकल पड़ा. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि दो बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट शब्द होते हैं. एक होता है उम्मीद और एक होता है कोशिश. अगर आपसे लोगों को उम्मीद नहीं है तो आई वुड से कि आपकी जो ज़िंदगी है वो इनकम्प्लीट है। कोई अगर आपसे उम्मीद नहीं करता और फिर अगर आप उसकी उम्मीद के लिए कोशिश नहीं करते तो भी तकलीफ है। मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया, मेरे सामने लंबी कतारें लगती हैं, लोग आते हैं, हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हर किसी की ज़िंदगी जो भी उनकी तकलीफ है उन्हें दूर कर पाएँ। कई बार नहीं भी हो पाती, पर ये ज़रूर लगना चाहिए सामने वाले को कि हमने उसके लिए कोशिश की। मैं कोशिश ज़रूर करता हूँ। मैं सबसे ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जब तक उम्मीद लोगों की बनी रहेगी और आप कोशिश करते रहेंगे, आई थिंक मंजिल जो है आपको मिलती रहेगी।
आप खबरों से कितना इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं? जितनी खबरें आती है चाहे न्यूज़पेपर के माध्यम से, टीवी के माध्यम से, कितना इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं?
मैंने लेटली न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने बंद कर दिया यार, पता नहीं क्यों। बड़ा पहले रिलीजियसली पढ़ता था, अभी लेटली नहीं पढ़ पाता। मे बी हम लोग शायद डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में फ़ोन पे हमें बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है, पर हाँ खबरें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, पर आजकल बहुत अच्छी खबरें भी नहीं आती हैं, उससे इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होना चाहिए। मुझे ऐसा लगता है दिल से जो आवाज़ आए उसी पे चलना चाहिए।
आप पे कुछ प्रभाव पड़ता है अभी जो नेगेटिविटी चलती है इस तरह की?
देखिए मुझे नहीं पड़ता।